You are looking for SQL injection, but the app does not show errors or data. So how do we handle this? First of all, what is SQL injection? SQL injection is a web security vulnerability that allows attackers to interfere with the queries an application makes to its database. Then, what is blind SQL injection? Blind SQL injection occurs when the attacker cannot see database output directly. Instead, information is inferred from the application's behavior or response patterns. So, now that we know what blind SQL injection is, let's get hands-on to the lab. So, first of all, we can see the welcome back message right here. So, what we're gonna do is intercept the request with burp, which I already did, and analyze it. So we can see that the application is using a tracking ID cookie. So let's send this to the repeater and see what happens if I try to change the cookie. We got a 200 OK. So we can look for the welcome message, but we got 0 matches. So what this means is we can use the welcome back message as a Boolean condition to check whether the injected SQL query is true or false. So we can try here to put n1 is equal to 1, send this, and we got 200 OK with the welcome message right here. So let's try another time with a false one. So 1 is equal to 2. Let's click send, and we got 0 results. So this confirms that there is a blind SQL injection. So now we can use this query to find the administrator password. For instance, it is checking whether the first character of the password, right here, is equal to this one. So let's send this, and we didn't get the welcome message. So we are going to repeat this until we get the first character. So we got the first character, that is the V. As you can see, we got one match, the welcome back message. So doing so, we can find the administrator password. So we found the password and we logged in as administrator. So we solved the lab. If you like this video, like and subscribe.